The category is Hawaiian Album of the Year for this year's Hoku Hanohano Awards. Here's the boy from Lapahoihoi, Bill Kaiva.
Hawaiian Album of the Year, one of my favorite categories in this year's Hoku Hanohano Awards. Who will be the winner? Be watching right here on Fox 13, Tuesday, May 3rd. And for the last couple of weeks, you people out there have been voting for a very special category started by Hara and the Hawaii JCs. And right now, we want to show you the top 10. Take a look at this list. Take a look at them. Is your favorite group or entertainer among this list? Well, coming up on Tuesday, May 3rd, we're going to give you a chance to phone in your votes. And you'll be watching the show live on Channel 13 and phoning in your votes, and the results will be announced at the end of the program. We're going to take a little break, and Bill Van Osdal will be back with one of the hottest categories in this year's Hoku Awards, Album of the Year.
Hawaii's #1 island music radio station, KCCN FM 100.
On an all-new Kung Fu. An ancient spirit lurks in the present.
It must be dispelled.
And Cain must confront its dark powers.
You hide in another's body. You are smoke and fire. You do not exist.
A deadly battle with evil. On an eerie, all-new Kung Fu, the legend continues.
Sunday at 9 on Fox 13.
Show me what you got. On an all-new Time Tracks.
Someone wants to kill you.
When a legend from the past holds a secret to the future.
I'm just a man trying to end a war.
Darien must take on the high-tech assassins.
Do what you've got to do.
Who threaten to destroy it all.
He got some moves I never saw in the NBA.
Dr. J guest stars on the next Time Tracks.
Sunday at 10 on Fox 13.
The Na Hoku Hanohano Awards, once again this Tuesday night at the Sheraton Waikiki Hotel Hawaii Ballroom. If you can't make it there in person, you can, of course, watch it here on Fox 13. Of course, you're watching Hot Hawaiian Nights. Time to tell you the final ballot nominees for the highly coveted Album of the Year award. Here's Israel Kamakaviva Ole.
Hallelujah.